race cars out. Subaru GT500. Valium. Go follow him. Twin turbo. Race car, man. It's your boy's birthday. Got a little mini car meet going on. Say what's up, Christian.
What's up, bitch?
Say what's up.
What's going on?
Say what's up, Steve. Say what's up, Steve.
How much is there? Still enough for next week?
Real race car thing.
I don't even see any of the guys.
Catch y'all back when some more cars come in. Do a burnout. Let me see it.
Yeah, hang on.
This twin turbo?
Twin turbo, yeah.
Sheesh.
Like it?
Yeah, a lot. This is dope. What's going on? It's the next day. The party went all right, man. We had some nice cars show up. I want to thank everybody for showing up yesterday. I really appreciated it. We had fun. That's it, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.